Hello everyone, today I'm working in Tableau and I'm going to show you how to create a map that displays values across different states. For this example, I'll be using a dataset that includes geographic information like state, latitude, and longitude, along with a measure and an ID field. To start, we're going to go ahead and drag longitude into the columns area. So you can find that over here in the table section to the left. So we'll drive longitude to the columns and then latitude into the rows. Once you do that, you should see a map appear. Next, drag your geographic field such as state into the detail mark. So here where it says tables, you'll find everything you'll be using. So we're going to drag state into the detail mark. This tells Tableau how to break up the data by location so you can compare values across different areas. Now we're going to drag the categorical field like department into the filters area. So that as well, you will find it over here. So we'll just drag this to the filters, and then you're going to select the values that you'll be using or need. For this occasion, I'll be using all, so I'll just simply select the all option. This ensures that all data is included in your visualization. Next, we're going to drag your measure into the color mark, and mine is the employee satisfaction. So you'll go to tables section, find employee satisfaction for me, and drag it to the color mark. And we want to make sure it's set to average, and to do that you just right click, do it again, measures average. We use average because it gives a better overall view of values in each location rather than individual data points. And then right now the color scheme is set to blue, and if you don't mind it like this, you can keep it, or you can change the color by right clicking the color mark or just clicking it, edit colors, and then here you'll see a drop down box where it has a lot of different options you can choose from. But I'm going to be using the sunrise sunset, and then I'm going to reverse the color, so this will just put the red being lower and the blue being higher, just because normally red means bad and so on. As you can see, this allows you to see the differences across locations using color. Next, we're going to drag an ID field into the detail mark. So we're going to be doing the employee ID into the detail mark. There we go. And then we're gonna right click and change the measure to count. This counts how many records are in each location, which adds more context to the map. And you can just see that by going over each state. So right now we're looking at Colorado has an employee satisfaction of 4.342, which is pretty high, and a count of employee ID 24. At this point, you should have a clear map showing how your data is distributed geographically. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.